I think it's going to be difficult for Chiefs to defend 90 minutes. I don't see Chiefs dominating that game. Yes, they will have maybe those couple of chances, but Zamalek, they are very strong. If I have to compare them with Chiefs, when Chiefs know it's a mountain to climb. Though Chiefs by my point about pet as we speak now.
Yeah, they're in the driving seat.
They are in the driving seat, but they're playing away. And this Zamalek, they know it's a break it or make it. It's a do or die for them. They will want to get the goal.
And 2-0 to Zamalek.
2-0 or even more are more than 2. Chiefs, I know, good game. I don't think they're concerned about winning or even scoring. They want there to go to be tactical, very disciplined.
Yeah.
They don't mind to attack a two-pair. Playing at 3 defensive midfield, central midfield, 3 centre back, they can do that.
Yeah.
Hoping with the 1 wing back, probably Solomon if he starts, but the truth is they will have 1 striker, attack 1 wing, which is really a experienced player. League, he's been scoring goals. You can't afford to put him on the bench. None other than that, I don't think Bazo approach game irrespective, we don't have shot on target, we don't create chances. As long as those guys they don't create chances and get behind us, but 20 goal it's still under 18, and then we don't have a problem. Because Zamalek, you want it tricky in the future. They can't afford to throw this game.
It's a must win for Zamalek.
And playing home, there will be a crowd. Last quality side. Is Zamalek, to tell the truth, if the referee didn't play a part coming here, they won that game after Miguel Babam push and his shoulder, and then Urevra Chachi foul. I remember they scored goal number 2.
Oh yes. They actually did beat Chiefs in South Africa. I forgot that game.
We understand. Yes, but the referee blow.
Yes.
And say
Solomon. Yeah, they did. They beat them. I remember saying that.
No, it's Solomon.
Yes, but I kept on saying on that video they beat them because in the first half there was a goal that the referee cancelled.
We understand.
Yes, and they were stronger.
And they were stronger than Chiefs. Yeah. Solomon, I think they were lucky by Solomon. A shout goalkeeper, last minute.
Yeah, last minute.
And they were lucky there. So going to this game.
So when you look at the strength of teams, you have to think about that game as well. How was it when Zamalek were here in South Africa? Yeah.
In South Africa. So pound to pound, just going to the game, summarize. Chiefs obvious, but tactical, we need to be disciplined. We don't mind to have so many attacking players. We're going to defend. That's not problem. As long Tina, we don't have to go behind their defense. It's us against their crowd and against quality players, very experienced players as well.